Well, finally, we've had some rain in Western Australia overnight. Our front delivered. We had more than 50 millimetres in Bunbury and Busselton. For those two towns, it's been the heaviest rain in years. And didn't we need the rain? This is the Vegetation Index anomaly. So showing how dry the vegetation is compared to average for April. And that brown shading shows it's drier than normal through almost all of Australia. There's a few exceptions in inland Queensland, a little pocket there around the Euclid, but generally our vegetation is much drier than normal. But we've finally seen some rain. Shots from Perth overnight. We had a lightning show overnight. We had rain. We had thunderstorms, and some suburbs picked up 40 millimetres of rain by sunrise. That's been the heaviest rain easily for Perth since January. But further south, we had even heavier rain through the southwest district of Western Australia, around Bunbury and Busselton by sunrise, closer to 60 or even 70 millimetres of rain. Where we haven't seen rain, though, yet is the south coast of WA, where we had those fires burning to the inland of Albany. Now, here's the rain over the past week. This is up to 9 o'clock on Thursday morning. No rain for WA yet, but of course that rain has developed in the past 24 hours. Only moderate falls for southern Victoria over the past week. The southeastern suburbs of Melbourne, especially around Mount Dandenong, they've done okay over the past week, about 50 millimetres. Western Tasmania, you always pick up rain at this time of year. We've had light falls through eastern Queensland. We need more rain. We're going to get some more rain. Now, our first cold front, there it is now weakening, and as a result, we will only see very light falls spreading to Western South Australia over the weekend. But we'll see a second front, this band of rain, hitting the southwest corner of WA on Sunday. That will maintain widespread showers across the southwest land division. And it's this front on Monday which will cross the Bight, bring this band of rain, which will hit the South Australian coast, and then eventually spread on Tuesday and Wednesday through the rest of southeastern Australia. It's not linking with tropical moisture. That means we won't get good falls for the inland areas. There will be no northwest cloud band, but for coastal areas and the ranges, at least some moderate falls. And we're hoping another front will hit the west coast of WA towards the end of next week. Wouldn't that be great? Some follow-up rain. Here are the totals we expect. Friday, big falls just to the south of Perth. We could see another 50 millimetres of rain with that deep low moving in, driving in, strong onshore winds. Showers along the east coast, not much in it, or even the odd storm for eastern Queensland on Friday. The activity starting to ease on the east coast on Saturday. Still widespread showers for southwest WA, not quite as heavy though as what we are seeing on Friday. And then on Sunday, a renewed burst of showers with another 10 millimetres plus for that southwest coast. And we'll have some light falls from a cloud band through South Australia, about 1 to 10 millimetres of rain for the central parts of the state. Our front hits late Monday. We'll see a few millimetres developing through southeastern Australia, becoming more widespread on Tuesday, and then Wednesday spreading to eastern New South Wales. Let's put it together. How much rain over the next 8 days? Well, for southern and mountain Victoria, about 10 to 15 millimetres of rain, perhaps slightly heavier for the coast, for the top of the ranges. Good falls for northwestern Tasmania, about 50 millimetres there over the next week. We could get some rain along the New South Wales coast if an east coast low develops in the wake of that front that I was talking about earlier. It's a little bit unclear exactly how much rain we'll pick up from that system at this stage, but there is the potential for the second half of next week of some good falls for the New South Wales coast. And we have 3 fronts for WA. We've got Friday's front, Sunday's front, and another one next week. As a result, we could even see up to 100 millimetres, including what we've already seen overnight in that far southwest tip of WA.